If you want to create Facebook business page, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook application and tap on this profile icon. Here you can see the option as Pages, tap on it. Then tap on Create. Get started. Here we will type our business page name. If you didn't finalize yet, you can change it later and press on Next. Here select your page category. This is important for your page, so make sure that you will choose wisely and tap on Create. Now, if you are a company, a big firm, or an organization who want to promote your product, then you will select first option, but most of the cases we are content creators or want to run our small brand, so I will select second option and will press Continue. Here, type something about your page. Add your website. If you don't have, you can leave it blank. Complete all this and press on Next. Tap on Edit Action button and customize it according to your requirement. As here you can see, there are multiple options that when someone comes to your page, which action you want to be performed. For now, I'm selecting Contact Us and will press Next. Here you can add any link you want. You can redirect to your website, can redirect to your other socials, means do what you want, and press on Save. If you want to invite friends, you can, but I am recording this as a tutorial, so I will press Next. Enable these both and press Done. Now, one thing is clear that our Facebook page has been created, but wait for its important settings that how can we set up professionally, which is even more important to know. Now this is our page. Tap here on See Your About Info. From here you can change your page category, can add contact information, social links, address, phone number, service area, email, website. Moreover, you can add about yourself, about your work experience, about education, current city, hometown. In Basic Info section, you can add information about your services. Once this is finalized, then go back, tap on these three lines. Then tap on Edit. From here, you can edit your profile picture, can create avatar, add cover photo, scroll down, and here you can add even more details. Remember one thing, that the more details you will provide, the more trust you will gain. I can guide you about every step, but it will take an hour or more to complete to set up it. So that's why I showed you everything, and now you can customize it. That's it, guys. I hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.